Okay, folks, what we're going to do is we're going to wrap it up. So let me kind of give the rundown of where things stand. The jury will be back tomorrow at 9 a.m. The witness, the teacher who was on the stand that led to this issue that arose where there was a conflict in the testimony that she had originally, the statement that she had originally given to the Texas Ranger, and then what she said in court, which prompted this whole thing that we saw this afternoon. The judge has refused he's declined to issue making a mistrial. He has, but they're going to do this remedy where they're going to put her back on the stand. They're going to play her statement to the Texas Ranger. Then the defense is going to cross-examine her on it, and then the state's going to do redirect. And then it sounds like what will probably happen at the conclusion of that is then the judge will throw out her testimony, and then the trial will.
I don't know. So
maybe.
So what happened? It was interesting because Judge Harle did say, "Look, if you're not taking Heath now, I'm not saying I won't give it to you, but things could change."
Right.
And even Jason Goss said, "Look, we reserve the right. Maybe we develop other things in her cross-examination that help us, and now we don't want it struck." So it is going to be very interesting. I think more likely than not, they're going to want to strike her testimony because I think they probably unring the bell to a reasonable extent. I doubt, look, I don't think this poor teacher is some bad actor who's, out to lie. It would be pretty surprising if they get some earth-shattering thing. But if they did, then I think the defense says, forget Heath, we're good. We want this testimony in because it helps us. If that doesn't happen, then I think the defense re-urges and asks for a Heath exclusion. But then again, the judge could agree or disagree then because there's going to be a lot of things, a lot of plates spinning. So we'll see.
Okay, folks, I am going to wrap it up. I will be back tomorrow morning. We'll probably start the live stream. I think we'll start talking around 8:30. We'll have Rebecca back, and I'll have a different legal expert. Mike has been amazing. He was with us Monday and then yesterday, and I was very glad that I had you scheduled for today because it became clear that it was very important to have someone who had really been with me as that testimony was happening yesterday. Anyway, y'all, thank you for joining us, and I will be back tomorrow morning.